Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel to make corps, and today we are back in Train Sim World 5 once again. Might as well, we just probably just stick to Train Sim 4. This is probably gonna be like my last Train Sim World, my regular Train Sim World 5 video. Like, as in like, one service video. But yeah, probably the next video is gonna be a bit long, cause like, in a few days time, Train Sim World 6 early access will be coming out soon, so might as well just end it at one point, because at the end of this 5 days, like September 25th to September 30th, that's when the Train 6 World 6 area becomes to come in. So yeah, so we might as well end it at some point. So yeah, alright, anyways, enough of the yap. So yeah, let's just get into it. So here we are. We're in Kingzig Talban, so we are doing one of the regular train routes that came with the game as well. So yeah, turn that on, and of course we're gonna open the doors, not turn on the doors. So yeah, we're in this train, whatever you call this, train lights. So these are ready on the normal lights. So yeah, I'll leave it for now.
I know, those are the ones that stop sticking. So if you want to...
Alright. Excuse me. There's another one of that train, and 423 on the other side. Alright. So you might as well just continue on with a few more videos of this game, and yeah, I've decided to make a few more videos of the game, so, and then we might as well end it. I'm gonna end the video with a long video, which includes all the main routes that came with this game. So yeah. So at the moment, let's just get right into it. We've got 30 seconds left before we close these doors and depart. So yeah. Yeah, this is going to be quite a long one. Not this video, well, the other video is going to be quite long. I'm talking about the other video, so shut up. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, again, the, British door closing sound. I don't know if it's actually the closing door sound, but, yeah. Anyway, and we're in German trains, you have to release these brakes before we go. Anyways, we're heading off now. Okay, wait, is something wrong? Okay, nah, never mind, nothing's wrong. I don't care about the seafront piece of B because I suck at controlling that. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so I got told this is going to be a 20-minute route, so yeah. Well, I didn't get, but it was insane. So 3 stops before I end this. Should be alright. What's with the wheel spinning? I don't get what I'm forgetting.
If you guys raw buttermilk, would you die?
Okay. What is that?
You know what I just realized? We're out of space songs. Yeah. Why are we so white?
Hey, another track. It's 423. Climb it. I see one. It's pretty cool to see the existing trains on this route, to be on in this game to be on this route. So. that was pretty good. Although we're a bit early. Wait, those have automatic door closing? Okay, that's odd. So they have we have a non-player character guard on this, or it's just that they have automatic door closing.
The chickens? Oh no.
40 seconds to hang that medical bag.
Okay. Oh no.
Oh, that's slowing me down. Almost there. Almost there. How do I get there? There you go, made it. Alright. Now we're off.
Oh, I'm so close.
My bad. My bad.
I ate one.
Frankfurt Main Sud. So I don't know how to pronounce it. Frankfurt Sud something. But yeah, it's the station before Frankfurt. There's a few connects or something. Another train, another DOSTOS theory. Is that possible to happen? Sheesh. Well, I've seen one there. It does a BR4. Oh, 425. Okay. Keep forgetting to release the brakes. Alright, last stop. 43 stuff. Jeez, calm down, Wheels. What? It's on running. Oh, probably did release, that's why. Okay, what's with the wheel spinning train? my spot's free. Let's go.
I'm already half full. I have like 2 and 2 is half of the total. Then what? 4. Bob, did you count how many? How many have you had? 1. And then that one we shared, right? Yeah. So 2, and then I ate 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
And there goes the ICET.
15. We had 15 chicken tenders.
Yeah, I got told to. Yeah, I should crochet a little more. Just a little more. Life was better when I lost you. Wow. I think that's part of like the Frankfurt S-Bahn. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a route to Frankfurt S-Bahn. Sounds like it. And we are off. Let's approach that platform.
Where are you going?
I need to take a screenshot before I go in. Wish I can just rewind at something.
Do you like it?
Yeah, so yummy.
I think that's just buttermilk. It's not. Keep taking time to work. Dad, I think it's coming up.
Let's get a screenshot.
Why?
Screenshot preview.
Do you like it?
There you go.
Not really.
And
Do you
booyah!
like it?
Booyah! Let's go. Sweet screenshot. Now we can enter.
Eyelash.
Ow.
Oh, sorry. I got it though.
Türfreigabe. Türfreigabe. Türfreigabe.
Yeah, he will. He's just finishing up an episode.
Alright. Okay, that's a bit annoying. Now we can stop. Oops, okay, maybe too much. Sweet. Alright, now. Turn that off. Oh, oops. Oh, wow, wow.
Störung. Störung.
Ah, okay.
A suggestion. Any tips on
Bro, let me out.
stop?
Sweet as. Alright, that is gonna be it for today, everyone. Alright, thank you guys for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. I will see you in the next one. Alright, see you guys. Goodbye.